Hey, I'm Erica at AI Avatar Build on Synthesia.io, and I'll get straight to the point. This software is $30 a month. But if you're still interested, I'll tell you my experience with it and how it's used. This is not a sponsored video, but Synthesia, if you're watching, we would like it to be. To get started, all you have to do is head to their site and create an account. There are two account options. The personal account is $30 a month like I mentioned earlier, and the business account price is not publicly disclosed. AI code 247 did try to acquire a business account, but we did not qualify, nor did Synthesia explain why in their denial email but they did respond to our request within 24 hours. So we will be reviewing the personal account options in this video. Once you have an account, you will have access to the creator's dashboard, where you will start and organize your video projects. At the top of the dashboard, you will see PowerPoint-like templates. To start your project, you have three options. Click a template, import a PowerPoint, or start a new project with the buttons in the top right corner of the screen. Also, the What's New tab to the left will have the latest site updates. Now that you have started a project, you will be in the video creator screen. Just like the dashboard, this screen is very user-friendly and easy to navigate if you already have an understanding of how to create a PowerPoint. At the top of the screen are all of your tool options. You can select your avatar, add text to the screen, add shapes, and most importantly, upload your own media, such as backgrounds, pictures, videos, and logos to customize your project. In this section, there are also some stock images and animated icons already on Synthesia for your use. Lastly, there is a screen record option, which we haven't found a use for yet, but it's better to have it than to need it. To the left will be all of your slides. 10 slides is the maximum amount of slides you are able to create. The text-to-speech box at the bottom of the screen is where you will type what you want your AI to say. But be sure to listen to your script before generating your video, because the site does not spell check for you, and it will allow the avatar to mispronounce words. You can also change your avatar's voice for different accents and inflections. The right side of the screen is where you will find your customization options, like background and font colors, scene transitions, which we highly recommend you use because it will smoothly transitions your avatar from scene to scene. Last but not least, you can add one of the background music options they already have available, or you can upload your own to your project. When you are done editing, you should play the video to double-check that everything is correct before generating, but keep in mind anytime you are previewing your video, your avatar's image will not move until after you generate your video. This website is great for beginner creators, but if you are a more advanced video editor, this is a useful tool you can use as the base of your videos. We would advise you to generate your avatar on a green screen, so you can edit and create around your avatar on a more advanced video editing software like Premiere Pro or Final Cut, because this site does not allow you to green screen edit, which will limit some of the things you may want to add to your videos. But overall, AI code 247 gives Synthesia.io an 8 out of 10 ranking.
Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. But most importantly, leave a comment and tell us what you think. If you want to see us review another platform, just ask us in the comments, and your wish is our command. Lastly, don't forget to share what you've just learned with a friend. Oh, you noticed me, huh? I'm Jordan, another AI avatar. So I'll see you later on Synthesia.io, and keep watching AI code 247 for more AI technology updates.